Hello, my name is Eric White, and we're going to talk about what a use case is. A use case is a case used in software development. Now let's say you've developed a call tracking system. You have a technical support department and they do all of their work through the call tracking system. Well, before they know if this call tracking system is going to work for them, they have to gather requirements and then develop use cases to test and see if their requirements have been met. A sample use case would be the technical support agent going in, retrieving a new case or ticket rather, and then working that case or ticket, documenting it, and closing it, following their internal procedures and their requirements. So a use case is nothing more than a test to validate that a system works the way it was designed.